Hi guys, Laz here again, and in this video we're going to be talking about checkout style. So pretty much what your checkout looks like. This is super important as well because this is the page where people are going to put in their payment information and finalize their purchase. So let's go on ahead and do that. So here on our theme editor, we can actually add this product to our cart and then see how this pops up here. And then we will go on ahead and click checkout. And as you can see right here, it says the checkout page doesn't have sections. So what we're going to want to do here is actually go open the checkout settings. It's going to ask us for a background image. I would actually leave that white because if you put a background image there, it makes everything look really weird. So I'm just going to leave that white. It makes it look clean and simple. On the logo, we do want to add our logo. So we'll go on ahead and add Happy Paws to there. And let's see. So yeah, here it is. It pops up now. And we're going to continue on here, guys. As you can see, some of these colors have already been changed. So we have the accents set to green, the buttons set to green, and the arrows set to red. Now, there's a reason for that because we want, like as I was saying, green means go, guys. This, you want to keep this green. You want to make people click on these buttons as well as the add to cart. So I would recommend keeping this green and just keeping it as it is. If you want, you can mess with these colors depending on your theme. Any bright color would also do, something that grabs the customer's attention. Now you don't want to make it like a red because that's usually for errors and stuff of that nature. But you know continue to shipping method and all that stuff, we want to keep it green, or at least like a bright color that makes people want to click on it. Again, errors are red. So yeah, guys, this is all pretty simple. You can put in all your information here and test this out. Going to the next page, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's look at how it looks on mobile. And here you have it, guys. That looks pretty good to me. You can also change the logo size if you would like. You can make it small. You can make it medium. You can make it large. See, small looks pretty way too small for my liking. I think I like the large one just because you can actually read what it says. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. When customers get here, they can check their order summary. Look, that looks nice. They'll add all their information, their shipping info. They'll continue to the shipping method depending on the shipping method that we set up for this. Remember those weights, guys? That is something that we can add to this. I will actually go over that too, those weights, real quickly here because I did not cover that earlier, which I should have. But you can very quickly change those weights of the products. We'll head on over back to our product page and very quickly we'll go over this. This is a very quick edit. So let's say we want to charge $5 shipping on this, guys. We want to go into here into edit, and then we're gonna scroll down here, and where it says weight, we're actually gonna put this weight here at 5 pounds, and we're gonna save, and we're going to do that for every single variant. We have to change it for every single one. 5 pounds. £5. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So now on this product, we should see the shipping price go to $5, and yeah, we'll be good to go. So yeah, just remember the weight is in here under the variants. You can edit that very easily right here under variants. You can just click edit here and edit that weight. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it here for the checkout style. And once this theme is ready to go, guys, you just go on here and click publish, and your theme will go live, and you'll be good to go. Now, with that being said, right now we're still on this trial period, so our store isn't actually live. So we actually have to select a plan for that, and you just go here and or down here as well, and then it asks you to select a Shopify plan, basic, the regular Shopify, or the advanced. Now, depending, you see they have different rates here. Usually, the more you're selling, the better it is to just use a more advanced plan because it decreases the percentage that you have to that Shopify charges you in fees. But starting off with the basic is fine, and then just moving on from there. Anyways, guys, that is pretty much it for this video.